How to transfer a Netflix profile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can transfer Netflix profile to a new or existing account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to netflix.com and make sure that you're logged in with your account. If you're not signed in, navigate to sign in button, then provide your login credential, then log in into your account. Once you're logged in, select the profile that you want to transfer. Now, after you log in, hover your mouse to your profile icon at the top right corner. From there, click on Account. Then scroll to the settings. After that, you will find Profile Transfer option. Click on it. Then, if you do not see this, your account owner needs to enable the Turn on Profile Transfer. So in order to turn on Profile Transfer, head towards the settings. There you will find the option and turn on Profile Transfer. So once you click on Start Profile Transfer, enter the email address and the password for the new account that you're creating or log in into. Once you're done with that, now in order to complete the setup in your new account, follow the instructions that is sent via email. So go to your Gmail, take an inbox, you will find an email from Netflix. There you will have an instructions. Follow the instructions carefully, then your profile data will be moved. The original profile remains inactive as the backup unless you delete it manually. So that's the way to transfer your Netflix account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.